Well, Regina, you've got a few more hours to go out and enjoy the mild weather before a cold front moves in, the rain moves in. It's just going to be a nasty day tomorrow, and we might end it all with a little bit of snow in some parts of Hampton Roads. First, we'll take a live look outside. Beautiful shot of downtown Norfolk. Temperatures still in the 60s, 64 degrees, with those winds coming in out of the south-southwest at 17 miles per hour. But that front not too far away. As we mentioned, it's really a two-part storm that we're watching. First, the cold front located right through here, and then the storm system that'll provide all the moisture that we need, and we're going to get a lot of rain as we start the day tomorrow. First, we'll take a look at the futurecast forecast for how much rainfall we're expecting. An inch, inch and a half, maybe 2 inches of rain as we go through the morning and into the afternoon hours on Saturday. So we've already got the groundwork laid with a warm ground and a wet ground, which means that any snow that does develop will likely not accumulate very much. So let's time things out. Midnight, got some of the showers out towards the west, working their way in, and by 6 o'clock in the morning, we're looking at a pretty soaking rain across the region. Could even be an isolated thunderstorm down through areas of North Carolina. Temperatures still fairly mild in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees, but as that front slides through, those temperatures will start to drop and the winds will pick up out of the north. There will be some breaks in the rain. It's not going to be a total all-day rain, but there will be pretty much good chances for rain through much of the day, maybe a few breaks around midday. Notice those winds out of the north and temperatures dropping into the mid-40s. Then the storm starts to intensify off the coast, and we'll look for that rain to start to pick back up into the afternoon. Likely not as heavy as it was in the morning, but still good chance at some rain through the afternoon. And if there are a few heavier pockets, wouldn't be surprised if maybe there's a few sleet pellets trying to mix in. But it's later into the evening as the storm continues to strengthen off the coast and that cold air comes wrapping in that we could start to see some sleet and snow mixing in across the eastern shore, peninsula, middle peninsula, northern neck, or interior parts of Southside. And that continues right into Saturday night and early Sunday morning before the storm winds up off the coast, works its way eastward, and the skies clear out for your Sunday. Lots of sunshine on Sunday, but temperatures only in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. So what are we looking at as far as snowfall accumulation? Again, it's going to be tough to get much to accumulate. Maybe a dusting across parts of Southside, the eastern shore, and that would be on grass or some elevated surfaces, cars and decks. And if we get a little bit of a heavier band, we could pick up an inch or so back towards Petersburg and Richmond and towards the northern neck. But a lot of things are working against the snow. A warm ground, it was 75 today, and our last freeze was back on St. Patrick's Day. And we've got the wet ground with an inch to an inch and a half of rain before the snow starts. And there's still the chance that we could see some more sleet mixing in, which would mean that those snow totals would go down as well. So mostly cloudy skies, rain developing tonight, 55 for a low, and tomorrow temperatures falling through the day from the upper 50s in the morning. Rainy and windy, may mix with a little bit of sleet or wet snow. That wintry mix comes to an end tomorrow night, 35 degrees, and then Sunday only 49, mostly sunny, breezy and chilly. By Monday, looking at another chance at some showers, 52 degrees, and then temperatures really start to climb back up to 61 on Tuesday with some showers around. Wednesday 59, 65 Thursday, and we're back up to 70 degrees on Friday.